Welcome back to Collector's Conquest. Got the brand new Disney Junior Ariel stuff at Walmart. Let's take a closer look. Pretty cool. Got some Disney Ariel on this Disney Junior sign here, or this display. Got some Ariel down there. Also have some pictures over here. Pretty cool. Check it out. Got this awesome Disney Junior Ariel set here. Super cool. PopTails Deluxe Sea-Beat Set. Look at how many accessories this thing has. You can change out the tails and stuff. Super cool. Look at this. There's Flounder right there. Tons of stuff in here. 20 plus looks for Ariel. Pretty cool. Let's check out the back here. Get a better view of everything. Tons of accessories. Got Flounder, Ariel. Got the different tails right there. Super awesome. Check it out at your Walmart. Got the new Disney Junior Ariel set here for Lego. Ariel's Crystal Cavern. Super cool. Check this out. Awesome looking Lego set here. There's Ursula over there. Pretty cool. Comes with Ursula, Flounder, Ariel. Pretty awesome. Let's check out the back here. See all the stuff it comes with. 2 scenes right there. Some accessories. Pretty cool. Check it out. Got this Ariel set here from Duplo. Ariel and Flounder's Café stand. Pretty cool. This is a 2 and up set. Pretty awesome looking. Got Ariel, Flounder. Pretty cool. Check it out. Scene you can build. Looks like lots of fun. Check this out at your Walmart. Check it out. Got this new Groove and Glam Set here. Wow, someone's excited. No. We got the Ariel microphone here. Super cool. It's also got some, looks like some hair items, accessories, a necklace. Pretty cool. Check it out. Pretty awesome seeing the Disney Junior Ariel Little Mermaid toys at Walmart. Super cool. This is Collector's Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. Also check out the channel membership. Put out an awesome exclusive members only video once a week. You also get early access to most of my videos, and you get your name after the video, just like this.
Join Collector's Conquest membership. Exclusive, don't want to miss. Check J. She's got so much stuff to say. Unboxing crazy things. Rock and roll is what she brings. Check it out, Mary Poppins Pops. The straight up shows, all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Woof woof is what straight up motions. Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new Ninja Turtle makes him ecstatic. Puppet master and killer clones, handmade by robots. He's always hunting down. Check out two boys and the scary pops. On Saturday scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghost face flashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise. Check out the Man YouTube channel. His superhero toys always win the battle. The DVDs and video games are so cool. If you're into awesome stuff, this guy rules, yeah!
Natalie D's got a heart of gold. Supporting my channel, breaking the mold. Her collection grows, brothers untold. She's a force to behold.
Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She runs with the mic, never looking back. Never gets a breath, T-Rex attack. Taking no prisoners, that's a fact. That's a fact. Join Collector's Conquest, channel membership. So many exclusives, you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collector's Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers, we got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.